Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I talk about SAP PLM, or also known as Product Lifecycle Management. It is going to be relatively a small video, so if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Now let's get started. So during the development process of any product, it goes through different types of stages such as planning, design and engineering, manufacturing, transportation, service, disposal and recycle. If it is a digital product, then the stages will be a bit different, like requirement analysis, design, develop, test, launch and upgrade or maintenance. Whether it is a physical product or a digital product, organizations require efficient processes and tools to successfully manage each and every phase of a product's life cycle. It is very critical that they manage these stages in an efficient way so that they can streamline their production process and also reduce the production cost. PLM is used by big organizations around the world to manage development lifecycle of both physical and digital products. It has got a variety of capabilities like product costing, product engineering, product development tools, project management, and much more that are required for a successful product development. SAP PLM is available in different versions. One is an older version, which is part of the business suite of solutions. It is based on the NetWeaver technology and can run on any database, whereas the latest PLM capabilities are offered as part of the S/4HANA application and runs only on the HANA database. It can be hosted as both on-premise and in the cloud. Now let's take a look at the capabilities of PLM. Let's start with portfolio and project management. PLM has got some project management functionalities which can be used to manage a product development project. It supports functionalities like product development processes, project tasks, proposals, timelines, commercial project management, and project network. The second one is product costing. This functionality is used to determine the cost of a product by taking various aspects into consideration. It has also got functionalities like pricing features, best target price, profitability prediction, and cost simulation. The next one is product engineering. This functionality allows multiple teams to collaborate with each other while working on the same project. It provides secure and easy access to all product development information, either to individual members or to a group of people in a team. The next one is product development. PLM offers a 3D viewer to help engineers get a visual simulation of their product development. It can also be integrated with other design software like CAD to assist the whole development process. Next one is product compliance. Depending on the type of products you manufacture and the type of industry or customers you serve, there might be a variety of regulations which your products must fulfill. PLM offers capabilities to centrally manage those product compliance regulations, registrations, classifications, labels, and documents. Finally, integration. PLM has the capacity to integrate with other SAP applications such as ECC, which is to retrieve finance and master data related information, with CRM for customer information, with SRM for supplier and raw materials information, with SCM for supply chain and transportation related information, and with BI for analytical purposes. The ability to integrate with other SAP applications allows an organization to perform the end-to-end manufacturing business processes easily. So we have now come to the end of the video. The video transcript is also available in my blog. I have provided the link in the video description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in another video. Thank you.